Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have host or admin rights. Without that, you cannot change recording permissions. Once confirmed, join the meeting and open the app settings or meeting controls. Make sure to look for a recording, privacy, or permissions tab. Names vary by platform. You'll act immediately in the call UI, so keep controls visible. If prompts appear for consent or device access, accept them. Otherwise, you cannot toggle recording options while connected. You now locate the recording or permissions subsection and change the recording toggle to off or switch recording rights from everyone to host only. If the platform lists participants, revoke individual recording permissions where needed. Once toggled, click Save or Apply so the restriction takes effect for this session. Make sure to announce the change to attendees. Transparency avoids confusion. If the app requires a restart to enforce settings, close and rejoin promptly so the new preference is active. You finish by verifying the recording icon is hidden or disabled for participants. Ask someone to confirm they cannot start recording. If recording still appears available, sign out and rejoin, or force close the app and install any pending updates. Sometimes settings need a refresh. If the issue repeats across meetings, apply a host-only lock or change the enterprise policy in the admin console so recording is blocked globally. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.